please join me in welcoming ENDRA Life Sciences Chairman and CEO, Francois Michelon, to the podium. Come on up, Francois. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. I'm Francois Michelon. It's an honor to be here at the Nasdaq this afternoon. It really is an entrepreneur's dream to be here. It really represents free enterprise as well as the potential for ENDRA Life Sciences. ENDRA, as Joe mentioned, has a mission of bringing new capabilities to ultrasound and thereby broadening access to healthcare. And we've spent the last decade building an IP portfolio as well as a world-class installed base of cancer researchers throughout the world that use our Nexus 128 system. Our next generation system focused on human applications is called thermoacoustic enhanced ultrasound, TAEUS as we like to call it. And that technology, as Joe mentioned, is going to bring new capabilities to ultrasound that you can only do on a CT or an MRI today. Clinicians are going to be able to visualize tissue temperature, composition, and function in ways that they've never been able to do so before at a fraction of the price and at the point of care with ultrasound. Our first TAEUS application is focused on the liver. It's a huge market, over 1 billion people affected. Frankly, very few diagnostic tools available today to do that, and I'm thrilled to remind everyone that we've renewed our partnership with the world's leading ultrasound manufacturer, GE Healthcare, a great validation and support for a small company like ENDRA. We thank Nasdaq profusely for their support pre- and post-IPO, and we're extremely proud to be listed among some of the world's most innovative medical technology companies. I'd also like to take a few minutes to recognize some of the people in the room and throughout the world that made this possible. First, thank you to our banking partners, National Securities, Doherty & Company, Liquid Ventures, Black River Wealth Management, key banking partners without which we could not have made this successful. Thank you also to our network of family offices, retail and institutional partners, including the Padnos family, Longboard Capital, Forte Capital, and Lincoln Park. And finally, a personal note and thanks to the board, the management of ENDRA, and in particular, my co-conspirator, Mike Thornton, who was alongside me sweating the details to make this happen. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, board members, investors, and bankers. We're so thrilled to be with you.
Awesome. Thank you, Francois. First and foremost, thank you for your trust and your partnership in NASDAQ. We can't think of a better way to celebrate your IPO and all your success than being here with us today to ring today's closing bell. And as we were talking about before, we are confident we're going to see you back here many more times in the future, celebrating many more milestones. And to commemorate all of that, I would like to present to you the closing bell crystal. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yep, there you go.
Wonderful.